What action is taken with the mirror in the experiment? A. It is held along the line BD. B. It is held at 60 degrees from BD. C. It is held at 30 degrees from BD. D. It is held along the line ABC. The correct answer is D. It is held along the line ABC. When do the flowers of plant B open their petals? A. Both A and C. B. When it gets dark. C. In bright light during the day. D. At night. The correct answer is D. At night. What is the root word for a hydrocarbon with 5 carbon atoms? A. Meth. B. Pent. C. Eth. D. But. The correct answer is B. Pent. What does the text imply is the result of rubbing one body against another, in the context of the examples provided? A. Accumulation of electric charge. B. Loss of energy. C. A change in mass. D. Creation of heat. The correct answer is A. Accumulation of electric charge. What is the small, bag-like structure at the tip of the stamen called? A. Filament. B. Pollen sac. C. Nucellus. D. Anther. The correct answer is D. Anther. What specific action related to domestic sewage is recommended before it enters water bodies? A. Aeration. B. Treatment. C. Filtration. D. Chlorination. The correct answer is B. Treatment. Which technique can simplify the understanding of image behavior for a concave mirror? A. Optical fiber usage. B. Geometrical technique. C. Quantum mechanics. D. Algebraic equations. The correct answer is B. Geometrical technique. Where does the coke burn with oxygen to form CO in a blast furnace? A. Middle region. B. Upper region. C. Slag tapping zone. D. Lower region, combustion zone. The correct answer is D. Lower region, combustion zone. What are the tiny, microscopic pores on leaves through which water evaporates? A. Phloem. B. Xylem. C. Chloroplasts. D. Stomata. The correct answer is D. Stomata. Which chamber of the heart receives oxygenated blood? A. Right auricle. B. Right ventricle. C. Left auricle. D. Left ventricle. The correct answer is C. Left auricle. What celestial bodies did Galileo observe through his telescope in addition to Jupiter's satellites? A. The rings of Uranus. B. The moons of Mars. C. The rings of Saturn. D. The polar caps of Venus. The correct answer is C. The rings of Saturn. In which year was Chandrayaan-1 launched? A. 2023. Born in 2008. Circa 2019. D. 2014. The correct answer is born in 2008. What kind of detergents should be used to avoid water pollution? A. Non-biodegradable detergents. B. Those containing toxic chemicals. C. Biodegradable detergents. D. Chlorine-based detergents. The correct answer is C. Biodegradable detergents. Which phylum is characterized by having a gastrovascular cavity? A. Aschelminthes. B. Coelenterata. C. Platyhelminths. D. Porifera. The correct answer is B. Coelenterata. What is the largest member in a honey bee hive? A. Both B and C. B. Fertilized egg. C. Parthenogenesis. D. Unfertilized egg. The correct answer is B. Fertilized egg. How many main categories does the Red Data Book classify species into? A. 2. B. 1. C. 4. D. 3. The correct answer is D. 3. Which state of matter involves only a change in the arrangement of molecules without altering their chemical composition? A. Liquid state. B. Plasma state. C. Gaseous state. D. Solid state. The correct answer is C. Gaseous state. What alternative is suggested for carrying items instead of using one-time use throwaway plastics? A. Polyester bags. B. Plastic-coated paper bags. C. Cotton or jute bags. D. Nylon bags. The correct answer is C. Cotton or jute bags. What is a potential outcome for non-renewable resources? A. They regenerate quickly. B. They increase over time. C. They can become perpetual. D. They may come to an end. The correct answer is D. They may come to an end. What does the y-axis represent in a velocity time graph? A. Acceleration. B. Time. C. Velocity. D. Position. The correct answer is C. Velocity. Which of the following vegetables is listed as suitable for growth in aquaponics? A. Onions. B. Carrots. C. Chinese cabbage. D. Potatoes. The correct answer is C. Chinese cabbage. How many suckers does a leech possess? A. 4. B. 2. C. 1. D. 3. The correct answer is B. 2. If an object is placed at the focus of a concave mirror, what characteristic would its image likely have, implied by the text? A. It would be at the center of curvature. B. It would be a point image. C. It would be diminished in size. D. It would be very large or at infinity. The correct answer is D. It would be very large or at infinity. Why would someone feel like vomiting after swallowing seawater? A. Due to the presence of fish. B. Due to its cold temperature. C. Due to a lot of salt in the water. D. Due to its lack of oxygen. The correct answer is C. Due to a lot of salt in the water. Based on the assertion, how easy is it for the human body to receive an electric shock? A. Moderately difficult. B. Impossible. C. Very difficult. D. Very easy. The correct answer is D. Very easy. Which scientist proposed the plum pudding model? A. Chadwick. B. Niels Bohr. C. Rutherford. D. J.J. Thomson. The correct answer is D. J.J. Thomson. What covers the ends of bones in a joint? A. Joint capsule. B. Synovial fluid. C. Articular cartilage. D. Ligaments. The correct answer is C. Articular cartilage. Which type of area is strictly reserved for the betterment of wildlife? A. National park. B. Wetland. C. Biosphere reserve. D. Grassland. The correct answer is A. National Park. In what form is gold obtained from gold mines? A. As a physical combination. B. As an aerated drink. C. In highly pure form. D. As petrol. The correct answer is C. In highly pure form. How is the entry of food into the windpipe prevented? A. By the trachea. B. By the pharynx. C. By the epiglottis. D. By the larynx. The correct answer is C. By the epiglottis. How did you score?